Hey y'all, I'm just now leaving an estate sale slash yard sale. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm leaving there and I didn't know what to expect. And y'all, it would have made for an 1.5 hour long video, so I decided not to do that. But what I will do is I'm going to try to set this stuff out at home and go through it with y'all. But she had a bunch of books that were going to be sent off and donated, and I started going through some of them, and some of them were good. So instead of her just donating them and getting absolutely nothing for them, I figured I'd give her some cash for it. So that's what I did. She threw some stuff in for free, but I tried to pay up a little bit just so I could cover that for her, to give her a little bit of money. And yeah, so when I get home and get this stuff laid out, I'm gonna show it all to y'all. And some of it's vintage stuff, some of it's brand new stuff, some of it's stuff that may sit for a while, but we will see. But y'all stay tuned and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I am back home from this. I'll call it a living estate sale is what I'm gonna call this one. But I picked up a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm actually still getting text messages for other stuff that they might want to sell. But it's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna go through it, and I'm not gonna tell you what it's worth. I'm gonna just put comps up there somewhere so you can see what these things are worth, what I think I'm gonna sell them for. Right now I am $100 in this, but we're gonna start right here. So first off, I have this Wizard of Oz puzzle. I don't know if you can see it, but it's brand new and sealed. Next up, I have this 1,000 piece puzzle. It's a nativity scene from White Mountain Puzzles. Don't know what it's worth. We will see, but it's brand new and sealed. Then we have a Johnny Cash 300 piece jigsaw puzzle. And I don't know who this is made from. It says Rediscover Jigsaw Puzzles. Don't know, but we'll see. I'll shoot the comp up there. Alright, next up is another nativity scene puzzle. You know, the only reason I picked these up because they're brand new and sealed, and I haven't checked Amazon. I might can sell these on Amazon, and with Christmas coming, people are going to be buying nativity scene puzzles. Next up is an Elvis 1,000 piece puzzle. Don't have any idea what it's worth, but it is brand new and sealed. And then I have another 1,000 piece Elvis puzzle, but it is open, so that's going to be fun counting all those pieces. Something I'm just going to have to do. Next up, I have 2 books that I found, and this is actually a set. I couldn't find a listing on eBay for a set, but it's the Bible Knowledge Commentary, and this is the Old Testament, and then there's the New Testament under it. So we got both of those, and I really think putting those together, I can probably get about $40 for those things, but I'll put comps up so y'all can see it. The next one, don't really know about comps on this one, is Edison Marshall, The Lost Colony. There's no ISBN number or anything, no UPC or anything to go off of. Have no idea what it's worth, but the Lost Colony was in North Carolina. It's down on the Outer Banks, so it may be a local sale. I don't know. And then I have this little vintage sewing box here, or needlepoint, whatever you want to call it. But the top of it up here is like a pin cushion, and it has the storage area down in here to put stuff. The name on it is Dritz. And from the looks of it, this thing is, I'm guessing from like the 60s. It is in awesome condition. I don't know, comps will tell you. But I had to pay up for that one. I had to pay $7 for that one. But once you count everything I got in here, $7 really don't matter for that one. I also picked up this washboard, and I'm not sure if this is a vintage washboard or not. I have no idea. There's no dates or anything on it, but this I believe it's just a decorative piece. It's not for actual use, but I picked it up anyways. These are some old Tasco binoculars. I think the model number was like 2000, but they are in like new condition, and they have the case. Probably 20 bucks, but y'all will see the comps. Next up, there was a box of hats there, and I started going through them, and the lady said you can just have them. So I quit looking through them, so I don't even know what's in here. I do know that it's some local advertising hats, but they are older hats, so maybe they are worth something. And then there's like DMPL. I have no idea some of this stuff. East Carolina Farm Credit. Some of this stuff may be worth absolutely nothing. But if it's not, I'll chunk it away or donate it. There's old Cargill hat, but the foam in it is shot. That doesn't mean that people won't buy it. You can see where the foam got all over this one, but that one should clean up real easy. But it's an insurance hat. It's just an advertising hat, y'all. This is a local car dealership that they're technically no longer in business. They got bought out. They're now Matthew Sessoms. They were Dixie Motor, but they're just advertising hats, y'all. Not a whole lot to see here. Another State Farm, another Dixie Motor. There's a rainbow hat. Somebody may be interested in that one. The foam is starting to come apart on it though. And then there's this this dog pointing hat that may be worth something. I don't know, but I mean, some hats maybe $5, some hats maybe $10, or maybe there's one hat in there that's actually worth something. I don't know, but I'll get what I get for them, and that's just how it'll be. Next up, I have this set of Matthew Henry's commentary, and I don't know how many books there are. I know I do know there's 6 of them here. I don't know how many total there are in a full lot of these, but I did get 6, and you know, she was asking $10 for these and $7 for those, but that don't really matter. Like I said, I made a bulk deal, but I'm thinking $30 for that set, but the comps will tell me. Next up, had to do a little bit of searching for this remote right here, but it goes to this VHS DVD player here. The model number is DVP3150V, and it is not a it's not a DVD recorder. I wish it was. Those things are worth a little bit more, but y'all will see the comps up there, what it's worth. Now we're gonna move over here. This is a pretty cheap item. I don't know what this thing's worth, maybe 20 bucks or something. It's a Gold's Gym, just a foam exercising mat. It was in a closet, brand new. And then there's this kickball, this playground ball. It was brand new, sitting in the closet. It was deflated. It had been in there so long. I pumped it up. It's holding air good. I guess that thing's probably worth $20 shipped or something. Fairly light. It may go for under a pound, but I'm not sure. Then I picked up some like crochet, I don't even know what it is, crochet, needlepoint, cross stitching books. There's one of them, and there's another one. Some of these books can go for $15 or $20, y'all, even in pre-owned condition. There's the Complete Illustrated Stitch Encyclopedia. Now, y'all might not think much of cross stitching, needlepoint, or anything like that, but there are people out there that love that stuff. That is their hobby, and they will pay $15 to $20 for those books, so keep your eye out for those. All right, then we have a Matthew Henry Study Bible. We have the Victor Journey Through the Bible. We'll put comps up for all this stuff. And then Max Lucado, You Were Made for This Moment. Then another one that I guess I need to put over here is Reader's Digest Complete Guide to Embroidery Stitches. So put that one over there. Then there's a Matthew Henry's Concise Commentary on the Whole Bible. It is definitely used, but I'll put a comp up for that. And then I think the last of our books, this is the New Strong's Exhaustive Concordance of the Bible. And it is a big one, y'all. It's thick, and it weighs a good 5 or 6 pounds right by itself. Then we'll move over here. I picked up this little scale. I don't know how you say that name, y'all. Pelouze. The model number is X1. Don't know what it's worth, but it's super lightweight. I'm guessing $15, maybe. Next, I don't know if you can see this, but it says Jimco on the bottom. I got two of these little like syrup bottles, and I think this one's been used, but the other one hasn't. But those things can pull like $15 a piece or more sometimes, and sometimes it depends on the color. Like if you had a red or a green or a blue or something, it might be worth more. But next up, just a set of Tupperware measuring cups. I'm sure they're worth something. Don't know right yet. You'll have to look up there at the comps. Then next, I have this little mini vacuum. It's by the Fuller Brush Company. It's called a Mini Maid. And I even found the instruction manual in the house, and I stuck it in there. But it's a 600 watt micro hand vacuum, and apparently it has a bunch of attachments and stuff with it also. Then I picked up this guy right here. This machine, I'd never seen one of these. Home Play is the name of it. It's a Singer original chain stitch sewing machine. It is brand new in here. Somebody has opened it and looked inside of it, but it is brand spanking new, and apparently it had a price tag of $24.99 on it at some point. Oh, hey Banana, what's up, Gerber? How you doing? You a good girl? Yes. That's Banana. All right, next up, back at it, y'all. I have a adjustable lumbar back brace here, brand new in the box. I don't know what it's worth, $25 or something. I have a brand new carpal tunnel wrist brace, and here is another wrist stabilizer here. It looked to me like all that stuff was brand new. And lastly, I have this guy right here, and I don't know anything about this. I know it's an ice bucket, but I was trying to read down at the bottom of it. It says made exclusively for Teleflora in France. I have no idea, y'all, but it is an awesome little ice bucket. It looks kind of like raindrops on the side of it. It's in pretty good shape, and it also had the little grabber, forks, tongs, whatever you want to call with it. And I'm not sure what these are. They're pretty tarnished, but they may clean up. I have some stuff that might clean these up. Some stuff called Never Dull, and some Barkeeper's Friend might actually help that out. We'll see. All right, y'all, that's all the stuff I found. Now, a couple things in there are gonna need a little cleaning. I don't think much though, but I have to test out that VCR DVD player. I was able to plug it in, and it did power on, and it switched between DVD and VCR. So I've got to hook it to a TV, make sure the picture works, but hopefully it will. Yep, that's it, y'all. Thank y'all for being here. I hope through looking at the comps and seeing what I paid for this stuff, y'all can get an idea of what it's worth, and maybe if you're a reseller, you can go out there and look for this same stuff at estate sales, yard sales, thrift stores, and find something you can take home and sell it on eBay and make you a profit. But thank y'all for being here. I really appreciate it. And Banana, you want to say bye to him? Banana, she ain't studying me. You want to say bye, Nana? Bye, Nana.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside